Grand Krust, the wild taste. Today we're going to make a dish with an Asian taste. Chicken curry with shrimp and basmati rice. To make this recipe for 4 people, you'll need 1 bag of PUD, peeled undeveined red shrimp, 200 grams Grand Krust, 4 boned chicken thighs, 150 grams of basmati rice, 1 spring onion, half a leek, 1 carrot, half a courgette, half a cup of white wine, half a teaspoon of curry, half a cup of coconut milk, salt, black pepper, olive oil, and optionally 1 teaspoon of cornmeal. To begin, clean the chicken and season the scraps with salt and pepper. Fry the pieces in olive oil. When they begin to brown, add the white wine and let the alcohol evaporate. Next, add the water and cook over medium heat so that the mixture reduces, thereby concentrating the flavor. The next step is to wash the basmati rice. Put it in a pot and cover it with water and a little salt. The water level should be 1 finger above the rice. Heat the pot, and when it starts to boil, lower the heat and let it cook for 15 minutes. When it's ready, turn off the heat, cover the rice, and set it aside. At this point, cut the chicken thighs into pieces. Season with salt and pepper, then sauté them in oil and set aside. Next, remove the leaves of the spring onion and save them. Cut the spring onion into long, thin strips and fry them in the same oil used to sauté the chicken. When the onion has begun to take on some color, salt and pepper the shrimp. Add the shrimp to the pan and sauté for another minute. Add the chicken, the curry, and the coconut milk. Let everything simmer for 20 minutes. While that cooks, cut the leek into thin strips and the carrot into cubes. Stir-fry them in a wok for a couple of minutes. Cube the courgette, add it to the wok and stir-fry for another 2 minutes. Then add the rice. At this time, the gravy you've been making with the scraps of chicken should be about ready. Add it to the curry and check that the sauce is thick enough. If it's not, you can add a little consistency by putting some cornmeal in cold water and then adding that mixture to the pot. It's time to serve up the curry. First come the rice and vegetables, and then the chicken and shrimp on top. You can decorate the dish with the leaves from the spring onion. Your chicken curry with shrimp and basmati rice is ready. Bon appetit!